with Hamburg honey. The other day we did a short on this hive right here because it's washboarding. See the bees, how they're moving up and down like that? This hive has been washboarding for 3 weeks now. Just like that. Almost like they're hypnotized or something. So we came today to do bee work, and now this hive is washboarding. Up and down. Still no definite reason why they do this. It's kind of cool to watch. It's mesmerizing. But they don't even know I'm here or care that I'm here. I can move around them and they don't fly off and try to attack me, and they keep doing what they're doing. So if you ever experience this, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts on it, because you know, it's a curious phenomena. So get out and enjoy your bees, guys.